Hi, this is Chris Schomburg, and I'm your instructor for SCADA and PLCs. Now, we've all seen or have heard of the logic that's in seal logic, right? Something that continuously goes. Once you start it, you can't stop it. Well, what we're doing here is we're actually going to go one step further than that type of problem. Now, let's say you just had a Boolean push button, and then you had an output on a ladder logic. Essentially, what that really does is that actually shows us that the second we press that button, it turns the ladder logic high, okay? In digital signals, like with we're working with PLCs, essentially that's a high signal all the time. And that's why we'll see a continuous motion, kind of like a motor in a car. You don't want your motor in a car to stop. You want it to continually go until something else stops it, external force, right? So the whole point is we want something a little bit smarter than that. We want something to start filling the tank and then stop at a point. Once we press the button, it fills. When we let go of the button, it stops. And so let's see if we can see that real quick here. So it is working. When pressed, it fills the tank. So that's pretty good code. We'll see what it looks like in our code now. So just a second. We'll stop there. We're going to go ahead and we're going to go into Workbench. And essentially what we have is we have the push button Boolean in 0, and that then corresponds to the fill push button. And then that actually, when it's pressed, it'll actually turn on the Boolean fill valve. Now, in this case, we have when it's not pressed, it just goes to a short circuit. So essentially, it's not filling, it's just going to a short circuit. And that's essentially what we see here, is that when it's pressed, we fill. When it's not pressed, when it's not filling, when we're not pressed, we're not pressing the button. There's a short circuit right here. That's what we see here. But again, it's a parallel. So we have a series right here. It has to go through this push button. And then we have a parallel rung on our ladder logic. Okay, so that's the basics of how to actually have when pressed, we do something. And that's what we do. When pressed, we actually fill the tank.